When the top number of a fraction is bigger than the bottom, it looks unusual. But there is nothing wrong with it. It is called an improper fraction, and it simply means the value is greater than 1. An improper fraction is any fraction where the numerator, the top number, is larger than the denominator. 7/4, 11/3, 9/5, all improper fractions. They are not mistakes, they are just a way of expressing a value that is more than one whole. Take 7/4 as an example. It takes 4/4 to make one whole. 7/4 gives you 4/4, that is one whole, plus 3/4 left over. So 7/4 is the same as 1 3/4. That combined form, a whole number and a fraction together, is called a mixed number. To convert any improper fraction to a mixed number, divide the top number by the bottom number. The result of that division is your whole number. The remainder, what is left over, becomes the top of your fraction. The denominator stays exactly the same throughout. 11/3. 11 divided by 3 is 3 with a remainder of 2. The whole number is 3. The remainder 2 goes on top of the fraction. The denominator stays as 3. So 11/3 equals 3 2/3. To check, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Back to where we started. To go the other way, from a mixed number back to an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator. That total becomes the new top number. The denominator stays the same. 3 2/3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, gives you 11/3, the same fraction we started with. Improper fractions appear regularly in exam questions. You will often be asked to convert between the two forms. They also come up naturally when multiplying or dividing fractions, where working in improper form is usually easier than working with mixed numbers. When converting a mixed number back to an improper fraction, the most common mistake is adding first and then multiplying. Always multiply the whole number by the denominator first, then add the numerator. Getting the order wrong gives you the wrong answer entirely. To recap, an improper fraction has a top bigger than its bottom, and a value greater than 1. To convert to a mixed number, divide the top by the bottom, and use the remainder as the fraction. To convert back, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Both conversions are straightforward once you know the steps. Next up, mixed numbers explained. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday maths explained simply.